In our previous episode on the channel, I talked about this gorgeous outfit made by Vicky James for her bride named Sade Falade on the channel, and I walked us through the breakdown of how this entire outfit was put together. Vicky recently posted the behind the scene of that particular outfit, and a lot of the things that I talked about in that video is actually what happened, and it's so amazing that I can just look at an outfit now and tell exactly what the designer did to put the outfit together. In today's video, we'll still be talking about one of the outfits that this bride, Sade Falade, wore for her wedding which took place recently. Vicky James happened to be the designer of this second outfit, and in today's video we'll be talking about all of the things that I believe you need to have in order to replicate a design similar to what you have right here on the screen. If you'll be interested in hearing all I have to say about this entire process, please continue to watch. If this is your first time seeing me, hello, my name is Funmibi Olawore. I am a fashion enthusiast based in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. I like to come on here weekly to talk all things fashion design, beading, embellishment, self-improvement, and a bunch of other things that I believe my viewers would find interesting. If any of these things that I talked about sounds fabulous to you, please be sure to click the subscribe button, become a part of us, click the bell notification right beside the subscribe button as well, so you'll be the first to know every single time I post a new video. All right, guys, I have my phone here as usual. I'm going to be looking at the design that I'm talking about right here on my phone screen, and also talking to you guys about things that I've noticed and just elaborating more on all of this. The first thing we need to say about this outfit is that it looks spectacular. It looks absolutely beautiful. Vicky ate and left no crumbs as usual. So we are going to start from the basics, okay? How this entire outfit came into being. We see that Vicky mentioned that this particular outfit was inspired by a peacock, and if you don't know what a peacock is, I'm going to put it on the screen for us. So a peacock is a type of bird basically, and we see that the pattern of embellishment done on this particular fabric mimics the colors that you would typically find on a peacock. And Vicky mentioned that the first step, according to her, was that they went ahead to do the fashion illustration bit of this particular outfit. And when it comes to fashion illustration and the basics, I have a video on that on this channel. I'm going to do my best to link it on the show notes for those of us that are interested to go check it out. You can create your own illustration of a particular design using digital products that we have a bunch of them. I'm not going to talk too much about the fashion illustration bit because I've talked all about it in that previous video. But however, when it comes to fashion illustration, something I just discovered is that artificial intelligence can actually help you do your fashion illustration now. Guys, technology has taken another turn in 2025. Like, the world has become such a modernized and technology inspired place, and it's so beautiful to see. It's going to take away the stress of having to think a lot. You can literally just type a bride wearing a bespoke or bedazzled wedding dress, and an AI product will go ahead to create a sketch for you, and it's all that is left for you to do is just to make tweaks here and there to just change the design that has been provided to you by the AI. Like, amazing. That's not why we are here today. Back to what we are talking about. Vicky mentioned that they did the fashion illustration bit of this particular outfit, and after doing that, I believe she has contacts in maybe Asia or Turkey. I don't know. That's where a lot of fashion designers go to these days when it comes to customizing fabric. So she sent the fashion illustration bit to her fabric designers in whatever country it is that they are based in, and told them the kind of things that she wants them to put together, the pattern of what she wants them to put together, and those ones began to work. Vicky mentioned that they did 3 different trials before they finally did the one that she found perfect for the design that she was going for, and she showed us the 3 different designs that the fabric people did for her in the country where they are based in. We see that the layer fabric, like the actual fabric that was used as the base for this particular design, is tulle net, and the next thing for those fabric designers to do is to actually bedazzle that tulle net. So they got the tulle net and went ahead to use cup chain. From what I can see here, they used cup chain, they used sequins, they used cloth stones, some crystal beads, and some pearls. That's all that I see here, and some broken glass beads. That's all I see here. I might be wrong. I'm not the fabric embellisher, okay? I'm not the fabric designer, but that's what I see on here. And after they went ahead to customize the fabric and basically create the fabric for Vicky, they shipped it down to Nigeria, I believe, and Vicky's tailors went to work and did the first draft of this particular outfit. And we see that the bride tried on the outfit. This is for my people that come and say, oh Fumbi, this design, this beading embellishment that you have done for us, how do we transfer it to the fabric? Guys, come and learn now. Before you go ahead to start beading, make sure that you have done the the bodies of the outfit, you've done the basics of the outfit. Your customer as well has potentially come to try on the outfits. They've seen that, okay, it fits perfectly, the bust is okay, the waist is okay, the hips is okay, the full length is okay. After perfecting it on the body of your customer, you can now go ahead to start beading and embellishing. Don't embellish a fabric before you start sewing, guys. That is why I do all these videos and I do a lot of talking, and I always recommend for us to also follow established fashion designers online and see what they are doing. Whenever I get some of these questions in the comment section, it just shows me that the person asking the question is probably new to the channel, or they don't pay attention when watching videos. Do the basics, sew the full outfit, okay, before you now start to think about embellishment and beading. Back to the video. So Vicky has gone ahead to perfect the outfit on the customer. They've perfected the bust area, done all the necessary adjustment to the outfit. The next thing they now began doing was now the embellishment proper. And she mentioned that for the embellishment, she used chantilly lace, and we see her placing the chantilly lace on the outfit. And then they also went ahead to use a bunch of different colors of sequins and beads to bedazzle the half-length area of the outfit. And when I'm saying half-length, I'm talking from the waist up to the bust area of the outfit, and that's exactly what's going on here. Another thing I need to point out is that we see how they've used fabric pencil to draw out the portions of the outfit where the beaders will bead on. I talk a lot about fabric pencil on this channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Go ahead to watch a lot of the tutorials, the beading tutorials on this channel. You'll find them very valuable. I share a lot of information. Those that are subscribed can attest to the fact that I do my best to share a lot. Sometimes some people even say I talk too much, I share too much, but it's just because I'm very passionate about what I do on here on the channel. So they've used the fabric pencil to draw out the portions of the fabric that will be embellished. And after that, the next thing we saw was that the beaders went straight to work. They started embellishing, and this ombre type of embellishment has started reigning now. It's really, really trendy, where fashion designers use a bunch of different colors of embellishments and they blend into each other to create an ombre effect on the outfit. When I say ombre, I believe we understand what ombre means. So this ombre beading is absolutely phenomenal and is raining right now, and I think it's absolutely stunning. We see how cobalt blue sequins, turquoise blue sequins, and dark green sequins were blended into each other to create something absolutely phenomenal, and it kind of matches the color theme of the embellishment that was done on the actual fabric, the one we talked about earlier that was customized by people outside the country before they shipped the fabric down to Vicky. That one exactly. We see how that was also used from the bust to the half-length area of this blouse. So actually this outfit is a skirt and blouse. So for the blouse portion, we see how that beading embellishment was done by the tailors, and they did absolutely phenomenal work on there, if you ask me. And for the top portion, that part that is forming like the oval shapes at the top, we see that it's the embellishment done on the fabric, the lace fabric. That's what they used to create the 3D applique designs that were used for that portion of the blouse, and it looks absolutely phenomenal. Guys, I feel like I've been talking too much. Just behold, Nego do this beauty on your screen. Like, it looks absolutely stunning. And the bride as well, I think she did justice to choosing colors that will sit pretty on her skin. I feel like that's the job of the stylist, right? The stylist is supposed to know what will look beautiful on their clients and then choose, basically advise them when choosing colors. And I think this is absolutely phenomenal. The wardrobe manager ate on this particular look for this bride. She looks absolutely stunning, and the final look as well, the makeup, the hair, the nails, the accessories, everything looks absolutely beautiful. Things to note when it comes to this particular style. This is to let you know that everything that I teach on this channel is for you to be able to blend the knowledge that you gain to create something beautiful. When it comes to everything that was done in creating this particular design, there are tutorials on this channel. When it comes to the 3D applique that was done at this portion of the outfit, right, there's a tutorial on it on this channel. You can create 3D appliques for recreating stuff like this on this channel. When it comes to the beading as well, with the sequence on that bust slash waist area of the outfit, there are tutorials on how to bead with sequence on a straight line to create something fabulous. If you would like me to create an updated tutorial on how to bead using sequence similar to what we have right here on the screen, this ombre design, comment ombre in the comment section. I'm going to leave the spelling of ombre on the screen for us. Comment that and we'll create a tutorial on it. And when it comes to the lace material customization as well, I feel like this is something that is totally achievable for fashion designers in Nigeria. Even though it's going to take a lot of time, it requires a lot of manpower. That's why I believe designers like Vicky James would rather, you know, give people overseas, like in countries like China, Turkey, France. I hear that France too, they have that industry in that area that are into specifically fabric making, fabric customization when it comes to designing Ankara fabrics, lace fabrics, different types of fabric. They have people that are specialized in that line of work. But I don't think this is something that fashion designers here, if you want to start this line of work in Nigeria, you can absolutely do it. It will be capital intensive, it requires a lot of manpower, but it's totally achievable. So yeah, what was I saying? When it comes to creating this customization on the fabric as well, it's totally achievable. I see cup chain, I see sequins, I see broken glass beads, I see cloth stones on there, and it looks absolutely stunning. And we see how the patterns used to embellish that lace fabric were also used to create the designs on the sleeve and the bust area of this outfit, and it looks absolutely stunning. Actually, I can't even lie, it looks absolutely stunning. Also with the head tie, we see that they used sego gele, and this particular type of sego gele, this high-end sego gele, I see a lot of brides using it nowadays, and it looks absolutely stunning. Actually, you will not believe that it's sego. I remember growing up, when you talk of sego, you think it's cheap, it's, you know, flimsy, but nowadays sego is being done in a very, you know, demure and cutesy way, and it looks absolutely stunning on a lot of brides and celebrants, people that are, you know, throwing parties for themselves, and they look absolutely stunning. Something else that I also noticed is that they were using nail polish to basically color the edges of the 3D applique design on that blouse. That's also something, that's why I always talk about the fact that if you're calling yourself a fashion designer, you should be able to think fast and just make, you know, quick decisions on how to fix situations. I believe it was because they did not like the way the edges of the 3D applique was looking. They decided to use nail polish to basically just color it and cover it up and make it look, you know, very professional looking and beautiful. That's why as fashion designers, you should be able to critique yourself, look at your designs and look at places that are not looking put together and think of how to fix it very quickly. When I saw that portion when Vicky was showing the behind the scene aspect of this particular design, I was like, oh my gosh, like this is so amazing to see that you can improvise very quickly as a fashion designer. You can think quickly, oh, this thing does not look good, how can we fix it? How can we use something to just change it and make it look very professional looking? That was absolutely beautiful to see, and Shade Falade looked absolutely stunning. I wish her a very happy married life. She looks absolutely beautiful. Vicky as well, thumbs up, you did a fabulous job on this particular outfit, every single outfit from this particular bride, because I went ahead to also check out the page and check out the wardrobe manager. Every single outfit for this bridal look looked absolutely phenomenal. Like I said before, if you'd like us to do the embellishment, this ombre beading style on the channel as a tutorial, comment ombre down in the comment section. I'll be sure to create a tutorial for us. If you also like us to do a tutorial on this, you know, this peacock design, the oval shape that was used to create this 3D applique, if you'd like us to also work on that on the channel, comment peacock in the comment section. Once I see peacock and ombre in the comment section, I'll know that we want those tutorials and I'll go ahead to film them for us. I hope we all enjoyed this very quick, very straight to the point breakdown of this particular outfit. I enjoy talking about outfits. Whenever I'm scrolling through Instagram and I see beautiful outfits, I always wish there was someone to talk to about it and say, oh, look at this style, what do you think? Oh, this is beautiful, this is that. But because I don't have anybody to do that with, I like to switch on my camera and just talk to you guys about some of these things that I scroll through Instagram and TikTok and the rest, and I see and I find amazing with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this particular video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, now would be a fabulous time to hit the subscribe button. I share a lot of valuable content relating to fashion design, embellishment and beading, self-improvement, and a bunch of different things I think my viewers will find absolutely amazing. Thank you so much again for watching today's video, and yeah friends, I can't wait to see you all in another video very soon. Bye.